Welcome to Technoland Expart. Merry Christmas 2026. Make Santa Claus GIF for this Christmas. This code represents a visually rich New Year-themed web animation composed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, designed to simulate a festive winter environment with heavy snowfall, blinking stars on a Christmas tree, a countdown timer, and animated fireworks. To understand it deeply, we must unpack each portion of the structure and logic, beginning with the body section, which contains hundreds of repeated div class equals snow/div elements. These repeated snow divs are used to generate a dense snowfall effect, where each div represents a single snowflake. Although CSS is not shown here, the usual method involves applying CSS keyframes to animate each snowflake from top to bottom of the screen, often with random delays, speeds, and horizontal drift to create a natural snowfall pattern. The repetition of so many snow elements ensures a thick, continuous, layered snowfall, allowing flakes of different sizes and timings to appear simultaneously. While this approach is heavy and not performance optimized, it is a straightforward strategy for achieving a visually immersive snowy environment without requiring JavaScript loops, canvas drawing, or particle systems. After the snowflake elements, a div class equals scene container is used to hold the New Year countdown and celebration visuals. Inside this scene, an element with ID equals countdown displays the starting number 10, initiating a visible countdown timer on the screen, and another element is initially hidden or semi-transparent but is later revealed by JavaScript to show the message Party Popper Happy New Year 2026 Party Popper at the exact moment the countdown reaches 0. This effect creates anticipation and then celebration at the right time. There is also an image of a Christmas tree embedded which visually complements the theme and becomes the base for the blinking star decorations dynamically generated by JavaScript. Moving into the JavaScript, the first declaration let time equals 10 sets the initial countdown time, matching the displayed number inside the countdown div. Const countdown equals document.getElementById. Countdown retrieves the countdown element from the DOM so its text can be updated each second, while const New Year equals document.getElementById, New Year, similarly grabs the message that will be revealed later. Next, const timer equals setInterval equals 1000 establishes a repeated timed function that executes every 1000 milliseconds every second, which is the core countdown mechanism. Inside this interval, the variable time is decrement by 1 each tick, and the text inside the countdown element is updated to reflect the new value. If the time reaches 0, the script clears the interval using clearInterval timer to stop the countdown, hides the countdown by setting its display style to none, and then reveals the Happy New Year message by setting its opacity to 1. Assuming CSS fades it in with a transition, this sequence simulates the classical countdown experience leading into a celebratory reveal. Following the countdown logic, the script generates blinking stars on the Christmas tree, a loop for let I equals 0, I less than 25. I++ iterates 25 times to create 25 individual star elements. Inside the loop, const star equals document.createElement, div, dynamically creates a new div, sets its class to star, and then positions it at randomized locations on the tree with star.style.left and star.style.top, which rely on random values added to fixed offsets to ensure the stars remain within the visual bounds of the tree. These random placements help create a natural scattered decoration effect. Ensures each star begins its blinking animation at a different time, preventing synchronized blinking and creating a twinkling appearance. The stars are appended into document.querySelector tree, although this appears to be a coding oversight, because the provided HTML does not show a .tree container. This suggests the intended container was likely the Christmas tree image or some wrapper assigned a class of tree, so either this selector relies on omitted CSS or is a minor structural error. Assuming the CSS supports it, each star would appear layered over the tree image, blinking through CSS animations like opacity fades or glow pulses. After implementing the stars, the script introduces a repeating fireworks effect, created with another interval using set interval, equals 200, meaning every 200 milliseconds. A new firework is generated. Inside this interval, const firework equals document.createElement, div, creates the firework element and assigns the class firework. Its position is randomized across the width of the screen using firework.style.left equals math.random, *window.innerWidth plus px, ensuring fireworks can appear anywhere horizontally, while its vertical position uses window.innerHeight/2, restricting the fireworks to only the top half of the screen, which matches typical sky firework. Positioning: the background of the firework is set using a radial gradient that incorporates a hue based on math.random, *360 to generate random brightly colored explosions each time. This radial gradient approach simulates the glow and burst of colorful fireworks without requiring canvas drawing or complex rendering. The firework is appended to the document body so it becomes visible on screen, and then a timeout is set to remove the firework after 1500 milliseconds.